Okay, guys, you recall where we landed in my other video when we balanced this equation. Okay, we balanced the equation, the reaction, this redox reaction, and when we got the net ionic equation. Now, this is the net ionic equation. So clearly, this is a acidic solution because when you look at it, you find the what hydrogen ion. This is 16H plus. That is highly acidic solution. Now, if they tell you to balance, as in to make this thing, to turn this to a basic solution, do you understand? So what you will just do is just do a very simple thing. Now, like what I mean in essence is if they ask you balance in basic solution, like make it to be in a basic solution, make everything to look basic. So what you would do, so you simply introduce hydroxide ion. Now, how many hydroxide ions will you introduce? You know, this is 16H plus, so you are adding 16OH minus. So both sides of this equation. So let's add them. So we now have 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 16OH minus plus 10Cl minus. They're giving us 2Mn2 plus 5Cl2 plus 8H2O, then plus what? 16OH minus. Remember, I told you it's both sides, okay? So now 16H plus 16OH minus, clearly it will give us 2MnO4 plus 16H2O, then plus 10Cl minus, giving us 2Mn2 plus, then plus 5Cl2 plus 8H2O plus 16OH minus. All right, so when you look at this, you know this is a chemical equation. So this is 16H2O and this is 8H2O. So we subtract 8H2O from both sides of the equation. Okay, so just like taking this 8H2O to the other side. You know, when you take plus to the other side, becomes what? Minus. Okay, now you just do 2. So you just do 2MnO4 minus, then plus that is, if you subtract this thing, becomes plus 8H2O. I've subtracted it. So then plus 10Cl minus, giving us 2Mn2 plus 5Cl2 plus 16OH minus. So this is clearly the basic solution because of the presence of what? Hydroxide ion. Okay, 16OH minus. Okay, now in a serious exam where you are expected to show all workings, please remember to put aqueous. Okay, aqueous liquid, no, and this one aqueous, this one aqueous, AQ, this is gas, G, and this is what? Aqueous. So remember, okay, so that they will not remove mark for you. Yeah, it's necessary in a serious exam where you are showing all workings. All right, so this is all you need to know. So why don't you try this one? Try this one. Cr2O7 2 minus, then plus Br minus, giving us Cr3 plus Br2. Balance the redox reaction. Balance it and show me what you got in the comments. Okay, show me what you got. It's easy to do.